Hello guys, welcome back to Len app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Bosch Dishwasher Error E6103. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if your Bosch Dishwasher here is displaying the E6103 error code, it means there's some issue with the siphon connector or the drain hose here. Now how to exactly fix it? So first things first is you want to check your siphon connector here. So the siphon connector might be closed or blocked. So in this case, you want to locate your connector, open it up, and if necessary, and you want to allow water to flow properly on it. And also you want to inspect your drain hose here. Now look for kinks or clogs in the drain hose here. So straighten any bends that could be restricting water flow here. Now if clog, remove any debris or food particles blocking it. Now, also if the error still appears after checking the siphon connector or the drain hose here, you may want to contact Bosch customer support professional assistance. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. See you then up. Thank you for watching.